In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your account name on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, all you have to do in order to change your Instagram account name is just stop right here at Edit Profile, and then at the very top you can easily find your current name. You can edit it as a regular text. You can just remove current one and then enter new one. After that, tap at Done. That's how you can easily change your account name on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.